My name is Sean DeBurgh. I am an estate planning attorney, primarily in Roseville, California, in Northern California. Specifically for DeBurgh Law, upon receipt of a new order for an estate planning signing, they will reach out to the client after I've made a brief introduction to the client, and they will confirm signing location, signing date, and all that with the client. The clients are grateful. What I found is clients are grateful that for the notary to just be able to simply come to their home and do the notarization. They're not having to travel to a busy urban area to do a signing, and so it saves them time. Best Notary has been extremely flexible as far as the timing. When we schedule these signings, they're able to do it early in the morning, midday, or later in the evening when clients return from work. So Best Notary's flexibility with regards to client scheduling has been very helpful. Admittedly, the assembly of the binder as part of the estate planning process was probably the most challenging thing for me to outsource as an estate planning attorney. But what I have found is Best Notary will effectively assemble the binders. They will follow details. Their attention to detail has been very helpful. I'm able to basically view the process all along the way and confirm that binder assembly has been done correctly. The deed recording that the Best Notary does has taken an administrative piece off my plate of having to electronically record each trust transfer deed that a client will sign during the estate planning process. So that is done quickly and efficiently after the signing, and I'm able to confirm that it's been recorded very quickly after the process is completed. What I would say is my observation of estate planning and probate practice generally over the course of the last 15 years of my practice is that things are moving in this direction. Things are moving in the direction of remote work. We attend remote hearings for the most part in the probate sector. Estate planning is also moving in that direction. We're seeing more and more firms, more and more attorneys working with clients remotely. Some firms are entirely remote. This is where I see the practice of estate planning and probate law going. And so Best Notary has effectively been able to fill a gap, essentially, that estate planners have been trying to fill effectively.